Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon from MarineMax Lake Norman. We are on a 250 SDX Sea Ray boat. We'll do a quick walkthrough for you and walk you through the features of the boat. If you move forward in here in the boat, you're going to see the port side entry to the bow seating, which is a large, unique bow seating option. You have speakers up front. You have a bench seat across the beam, a forward seat. You also have a boarding ladder and anchor storage up front. Nav lights on either side, cup holders and places to charge your phone up front. Moving back through the port side entry, you have a flip back seat that goes either direction, so you can sit forwards or backwards. You have a very unique centerline head area that has plenty of storage and room to access. On the helm, you're going to have a 12-inch Simrad touchscreen unit, GPS depth finder, the Fusion Bluetooth stereo, your digital start and stop, again cup holders abound, fold-up bolster for the helm seat. It also flips back and forth. Removable vinyl flooring, sea deck material in the rear of the boat here, cooler space. You also have on this boat battery switches out back. Another stereo remote control here for your swim up option. And you have a flip back seat in the back that opens up to a big sun pad. This boat is very unique in the fact that it has a flip down swim platform. So this piece flips down onto the deck. That's your 25 Sea Ray Sun Deck. Come visit us at Lake Norman.